Do you need some of these?
No, I don't need any of
Are
those.
you sure? They're like little hats.
Yeah, put them back. I don't like hats. I'm in a cart right now, and I feel kind of stupid, but we'll go that way.
Remember when we were here? What teacher did we see here once? And we were like
Miss Quaker.
acting like screwballs.
Miss Quaker.
She comes here.
She does, too.
You need some litter for your box?
No.
Are you sure? You've been going potty and off a lot.
Cups. See all the stuff I collected?
Good job.
We got some vegetable juice. We got some tartar sauce. Ooh.
Dude, we gotta get some mini chunks.
No.
We can put it on the bottom of the cart.
No, it's too heavy.
Put it on the bottom of the cart. I really thought we needed mini chunks.
No. Toilet paper. Toilet paper.
We're so